I seen him last week on the Q train. He smacked the shit out of Lois Lane over some loose change. He even stuck out Bruce Wayne for 2 brand new chains. I remember when I met him, he said his name was Superman, and not only was he the man of steel, he was the man of manhood, the man of morals, the man of manners, and man was ever so mandatory for that man to manhandle any man malicious offenders of feminism, but he always said, I'm just a man, and man makes mistakes. This is why the true artist paints partially on purpose. They know there's no such thing as a picture being perfect. The word perfect is for computers. And the truth in that fact lies in the moment when Superman was introduced to crack by Lex Luthor. Misery loves company, drugs are attentive, and an addiction is a friendship. Lex Luthor mentions, come on, Superman. You're not the addictive type. You know how to live your life. Besides, this little white shit is tight. Give it a try, you'll be alright. Looking back like a bitch, I ain't never hit the pipe. Kryptonite. Once upon a time, the CIA created and distributed crack cocaine to the black and Latino communities of America. How many of us seen a crack addict? For those that haven't, I'll tell you what it looks like. It looks like faith being fermented by fantasy. It looks like real people trying to take a time out from rough, rugged, and raw reality. And if you ever known a crack addict, you would know that it was never their plan, only their predicament and personality. And if you ever loved someone, I was addicted to the black smoke of the white devil. Well then, this poem's for you. A little girl walks home from school after being rumored and ridiculed for having a crackhead for a father. She's just another case that's been skipped over by the Bureau of Child Welfare. She sticks a key in the door and realizes that home isn't home anymore, and she's welcomed by foul fumes and strange faces she's never seen before. The refrigerator has no food safe enough to eat, but it's still cold because we have no heat, so she warms her hands over lit candles that were used to replace the electricity that wasn't there. And she didn't care that she had no Christmas tree, because no, there was no Christmas gifts to be wrapped. And plus, her Christmas list read, all I want is my daddy back. And she's a good girl. She deserves that. So she bravely steps to him and says, if you truly love me, Daddy, you would stop smoking crack. Now it's time for you to make a decision. And Superman looked right through his daughter with his X-ray vision. This is a crack addiction. It knows the unconditional love that one has for another. So when it comes to these kryptonite criminals, my level of tolerance is 0. Because even though man is just a man, and man makes mistakes, there are some people in your life that need you to be their superhero. Yeah.